The Motorola Moto G8 Plus is finally getting the Android 10 upgrade. We cannot take for granted Android upgrades with Motorola because Motorola's record in the past had been good, but recently under Lenovo's leadership it has been getting worse and worse. They are backing out then on their promises like the Moto G4 Plus, and recently with the launch of their flagship devices, there too they were only promising one Android upgrade. But still, there's some good news for Moto G8 Plus users because the users in Spain and Brazil are finally getting the Android 10 upgrade. All the other regions should follow soon with this upgrade. So what's new in this one? Well, first of all, you get Android security patch level of July 2020, which is latest as of now. So that's nice to see. You are up to date in terms of security, and you have pretty new nifty features that come with Android 10, such as full screen navigation gestures, which are a notable improvement from the previous navigation gestures, which didn't seem as intuitive to me as they do now. And other than that, you have a focus mode which helps you focus on your work life or something else like studying. So that's nice to see that there is some smartphone addiction management system here. And the thing I love the most is the system wide dark mode. I really love dark mode and the black color in terms of apps and different stuff, the elements and the UI. So that's great to see, and this is something that I have been missing on Android smartphones for quite a while, and I use third-party systems to theme my smartphone. But with this Android 10 dark mode, it automatically turns on the dark mode in various apps that support it. And this is it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to see more such videos. I'll see you in my next video.